The key currency for the talent token exchange is the TX coin. The TLS that are needed to receive special services from the celebrities can be bought and sold using TX coins.
Feel uninvited.
The celebrities will be added to talent token exchange as appropriate. When a new celebrity issues TLS, they will be sold through an auction. The number of TX coins necessary to make a successful bid will depend on the celebrity and the TL. The same procedures will be followed when an existing when an existing celebrity issues a new TL. Issuing a new TL is similar to an ICO, and TX coins are the tokens that are consumed, and the prices will trend upward for the popular TLS and trend downward for the TLS that are not popular. As TLS are basically bought and sold through the auctions, their prices are constantly changing. For this reason, the team believes that the investors will also purchase the TLS along with fans, and the expected, you can say, sharp increases in the price of the certain TLS that are projected to be very popular. As I described you all the things, if the overall pricing of the TLS on the platform continues to increase, there will be less TX coins being retained, resulting in increased scarcity value. Now, something very important about the talent token exchange. It has a huge impact on the fans and also on the celebrities. For example, it is providing a space for special services using the internet. Celebrities can monetize their spare time, and fans can have experiences that did not exist previously. The best things that the celebrities who join the platform can gain new fans, positively impacting their main business. And with increased popularity, fans will experience the emotional joy and become more invested financially. Already at this time, so many models, and the best thing is some actors are on the main platform of the TTX, and the TX coins TTX, which are the key currency for the talent token exchange, will have increased demand from the buyers on the virtual currency exchange each time a new celebrity or TL is added. On the other hand, there will be an increased demand from the sellers on the virtual currency exchange when celebrities or TLS are cancelled for some reasons. The content of the contracts between the talent token exchange and the celebrities is not disclosed, and sudden cancellations generally do not occur. However, there is a possibility that a sudden cancellation will occur due to unavoidable circumstances. So this coin is all about the fans and new celebrities, and also some the past celebrities and models. So it's your time to grab the opportunity. This token will give you so much huge income and also a good benefits in near future. Thanks a lot.